Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Packaging School Show. I'm Kevin Keglin, the creative director at Packaging School. And this particular episode is brought to you once again by us, all of us at the Packaging School. We're at home, and so are you, and we're here to talk about life and packaging. And that's what we're going to keep on doing, even when this COVID-19 is no more. So no doubt, COVID-19 has affected you personally as well as professionally. Packaging Digest conducted a poll recently asking packaging pros questions about how they're dealing with COVID-19, the pandemic. One of the questions was, has your job in packaging been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic? And here are the results. You can see that 2/3 of those that participated in the survey say their job has been disrupted because of the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm sure there's a percentage that would say yes, because I spent a bunch of money buying V-Bucks for my kids for the Fortnite Education Edition update. But it was just regular Fortnite all along. Yesterday I mentioned that I made a LinkedIn friend, Santiago, from Sealed Air. And as of today, he's my real friend. Because of that video, we decided to connect, and we talked a little bit. Talked about what life is like for him, where he is, and let's take a look at that. Hey Santiago, thanks for taking some time to talk with us today. I talked in our last video, shared a little bit of information about you, showed the egg test video. Where are you in the world?
Well, Kevin, thank you very much for contacting me. Well, I am located here in Barcelona right now. But I'm original from Argentina. I'm really proud to say that all the time, because sometimes I have some home missing.
Right.
Homesick. Sorry for that.
Yeah.
And I'm really proud to say that. Right.
Yeah.
I'm located in Barcelona right now, working for Sealed Air for the EMEA team.
Yeah. Let's talk about that, because it seems like in a lot of ways, as horrible as this pandemic has been, it affects everybody, and it's kind of united us across the world. Like everybody's kind of doing the same thing. Like you're working from home. I assume your wife's at home with the kids. So let us know what that's like, because you're still working for Sealed Air, but you're still being a husband and a dad and a teacher too. What's that like for you?
Yeah, well, I'm here and with the lockdown in Spain for 3 weeks by now. So it's a really long time for us, because we are really used to go out and enjoy the outdoor life. Mm-hmm. And we are a large family. We have 3 kids. My wife is also working, mm-hmm. And we have to combine our job, together with the kids, and trying to teach the kids, because kids are together without to go to school. So this is becoming a nightmare, but we are managing that challenge at the moment. So yeah. that is really good.
Yeah, I think that's what everybody's experiencing. Either they're home with their kids, or they're home with their pet, or everybody's at home and they're getting antsy and they want to go out and kind of return to normal life. But this is our new normal, and there are still packaging issues. Like you had mentioned in your LinkedIn post that the uptick in people ordering groceries online, eggs are getting broken, which leads to innovation. So it sounds like in the packaging world, innovations are still being made even during this time.
Well, the R&D department at Sealed Air never stop. They are always developing things, right? Mm-hmm. So what we do is, some of the designing centers are still open, developing packaging for our consumer, for our customers around the world. We are still supporting the company. The company is supporting the social problem that we are living today, trying to transport some medicine like a pharma or equipment or mask. Right, we are producing masks together with some of our partners, and we are still developing some of the customers that have been requesting by some of the packaging that have been requested by our customers. So this is something that is the world is still moving, mm-hmm. right? No other way that we all know, right. But it's still moving, transporting a lot of fragile stuff and necessary to pass this pandemic.
Yeah, and I think maybe the world, whether they know it or not, they'll probably realize during this time how important packaging is because not only are they ordering groceries, but like you just said, we're in need of masks, we're in need of medical supplies, and those things have to be packaged safely and arrive intact. So if there was, the whole world is in need right now, and packaging plays a major part in that.
Yeah.
And so, that just like that video. Hey, it's as simple as our eggs. We need our eggs to arrive safely. And speaking of which, do you know Stephen Percival? He commented on that thread there.
Well, it's very funny because I spoken with Steve this morning, and I say you have to reply to Kevin because he's asking something. So
yeah,
he will try to reply to you.
He still hasn't liked my comment yet. I thought it was hilarious.
That was a really smart comment.
No, it was an open door. I had to walk in. It was an easy one. Well, man, thank you so much for taking your time today. And before we started really talking here, you were showing me all these innovations that Sealed Air is doing, and really doing some incredible things, making things easier, frustration-free, and more sustainable, which is good for everybody right now and when we get through this.
Okay, well, Kevin, thank you very much for promoting, packaging itself. And anything you need, just let me know. We can be in touch, right?
Yeah, for sure. High five across the world.
Yeah, there you go.
that's some social distancing, right?
It is. Hey, stay safe. The best for you and your family. And let's keep in touch.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Have a good day. So not only did we have this great conversation, but he also walked me through a lot of the innovations that Sealed Air are doing and have been doing and will continue to do. And let this be an encouragement to you as well. Like no matter where you are, no matter if you're at home, if your life is disrupted, keep thinking, keep innovating, keep pushing forward, because life will get back to a new kind of a normal for us. So thanks for watching. And please share this video with a friend. And if you have any ideas of somebody you'd like for us to reach out to talk on this show, leave their name in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. So from all of us at the Packaging School, just want to remind you to keep calm and carry on and wash your hands.